So not so superficial or not
Superficial irregularities in swelling can be noticed right away, depending on how much an area has been treated.
know about full correction?
Full correction's what we're after.
It takes 7, it takes 7. It makes a big difference, huh?
Mm-hmm.
It's free.
It's okay to smile.
Wow.
I mean, you don't have holes. This
Yeah.
is just...
Is there a difference in the sensations of the injections, Troy?
To the deeper dermis layer to promote tissue growth that will become apparent within about 4 weeks. Must be injected on a once-monthly basis with a limited amount at a time for best results and will last about 2 years. The immediate and full facial correction should last about 6 months. Will have gradually developed to full result at that time. Troy's facial appearance can be monitored and maintained easily with touch-ups as needed. Reva palpates the area to feel and evaluate the presence of the
No
product.
problem. Don't worry about it. Anything that you feel bothers you, I can work on. But month, it's when you really truly can see.
Right.
A few days after treatment, Troy will enjoy Thanksgiving with family and friends. The holidays will be very special for him because he's regained his appearance. The correction will be maintained. His only regret is that he didn't do this sooner.